Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I am going to show you how to make a lemon cream or a lemon curd that you can use for tarts or to spread in bread. In a small saucepan away from the heat, add the lemon juice, the sugar, the eggs, the cornstarch, and the egg yolks. Mix everything together. Turn the heat on medium and let it cook until the mixture boils. Let it boil for about 1 minute to thicken. Remove from heat and strain it into a bowl. I always like to strain my custards so my cream is completely smooth. Add the olive oil and whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth. This cream can be used right away or stored into a container. Cover with a parchment paper to prevent a crust forming on the top. Seal the container and refrigerate for up to a week. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.